A machine that can make all your wishes come true. It exists according to some. The concept of the wishing machine was popularized by William S. Burroughs, who discovered it in a Harry G. Stein book called On the Frontiers of Science, Strange Machines You Can Build Yourself from 1985. Burroughs was so taken aback by this machine that he featured it in his 1987 book, The Western Lands, and dedicated an entire lecture titled, The Technology and Ethics of Wishing, which he did at Naropa University in June of 1986. In this lecture, Burroughs talks about the machine's effectiveness and offers practical usage tips and suggests ethical guidelines while using it. Although Stein, its creator, lacked a scientific explanation for its operation, he had strong personal evidence for its legitimacy. The wishing machine consists of an audio amplifier with two parallel copper plates attached to the input terminals and an antenna attached to the output terminals. The user places a wish in the form of text or image between the plates and keeps the machine on until the wish comes true. The machine allegedly has a 70 to 90% success rate for desired effects. These include the healing of warts and acne in children, some other ailments in older people, and the killing of some insects. Would you build this machine? And if you do, just be careful what you wish for.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.